Probably wondering, why does this place look different than last night? So I'm here because it was a night of mishaps, true to my trail name, Mishap. 11:30 or so at night. And then I get down the trail to the shelter and it was completely full. The tent spots were full. So I kept going a total of about 4.5 miles in the dark. And fortunately found this spot here. So now I'll get going. The other mishap that happened last night was every time the wind blew, like acorns or something started falling out of the trees and pounding on the tent. And the tent's got, I think, at least one little tear in the material, but it fortunately repairs easy with tape. Glad it's the new day. We've made it to Devil's Fork Gap. This morning we've hiked about 1.7 miles, and so far this trip looks like 21.6 from Allen Gap. We'll go across the road there, and that Laurel Hostel, I think we'll stop in there and see if we can get a bite to eat. Gotta look both ways. Cars come through here fast. It's Tennessee, I think. Looks like produce shopping time. And we go up. Okay, this is the second snake on this road. So thankful to be able to charge up some devices. Alright, leaving the road and getting back on the trail. Hopefully the bridge holds. Made it. It's early afternoon, so it's pretty hot, so I stopped at a little stream and got my headband wet, and it feels really good. Splashed water all over my face and drank, so anyway, pressing on. The second of these three water sources is probably the best in my opinion. That last one had the nice cascade. You probably could take like a shower if you wanted. Hey, we might have reached the high point finally. and it just opened up, so just soaking it in. Here's the camp spot at mile 315 going north. I don't see any water. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got bacon and sink foil and some nuts in there with the potatoes, so it should be filling. And have some evergreen tea.